Investing in Bitcoin may initially seem complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. All you need is an account on a reliable cryptocurrency exchange and a secure way to store your purchased Bitcoin. In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of buying Bitcoin and provide essential tips for safe storage. Step 1. Choose a trusted crypto trading platform. When it comes to buying Bitcoin, you have various options, including cryptocurrency exchanges, brokerage firms, and payment services. It's crucial to select a reputable and regulated platform that aligns with your preferences and requirements. For instance, Sex.io, Gemini, and Binance are well-known exchanges that offer Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You can find the links in the description for each one of them. Step 2. Connect your payment method. After choosing a trading platform, you'll need to connect a payment option to fund your Bitcoin purchase. Depending on the exchange, this may involve verifying your identity by providing necessary documents like a driver's license or social security card. You can link your bank account directly or use a debit/credit card for transactions. Keep in mind that credit card purchases may incur higher fees and interest charges, so it's important to consider the cost implications. Step 3. Place your order. Once your account is set up and your payment method is connected, you can proceed to place your Bitcoin order. Crypto exchanges offer various order types, including market, limit, stop loss, and take profit orders. Additionally, some platforms allow you to set up recurring investments, which is useful for dollar cost averaging. For example, Coinbase enables users to schedule daily, weekly, or monthly purchases. Step 4. Securely store your Bitcoin. To ensure the safety of your Bitcoin holdings, it's recommended to store them in a personal digital wallet rather than keeping them on the exchange. Cryptocurrency wallets provide you with control over your private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your funds. There are two types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are suitable for smaller amounts of cryptocurrency or for active trading. They can be software-based wallets installed on your computer, phone, or tablet. It's crucial to follow best practices like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and practicing safe browsing habits to minimize the risk of theft. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline storage devices that offer the highest level of security. They store your private keys on a device that is not connected to the internet, reducing the risk of hacking or unauthorized access. Examples of cold wallets include hardware wallets, which are USB drive devices, and paper wallets, which are physical copies of your public and private keys printed on paper. Additional buying options. Apart from traditional exchanges, there are alternative methods to buy Bitcoin. Bitcoin ATMs. These machines allow you to insert cash and purchase Bitcoin directly, transferring it to your online wallet. However, beware that ATM purchases involve higher fees compared to other options. Peer-to-peer, P2P exchanges, P2P platforms like Local Bitcoins connect buyers and sellers directly. They offer more privacy and the opportunity to find competitive prices, but exercise caution and check the reputation of potential trade partners. Payment services, platforms like PayPal allow you to buy Bitcoin using your existing account balance or by linking your debit card or bank account. Ensure you understand the fees and limitations associated with each payment method. Conclusion. Buying Bitcoin is a straightforward process that involves choosing a reputable platform, connecting your payment method, placing an order, and securely storing your Bitcoin in a personal wallet. Remember to prioritize security measures, such as using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and considering cold wallet options for long-term. Thank you for watching. For more information and updates on cryptocurrency investing, visit our website, satoshilegacy.org, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep navigating the crypto world wisely.